Tommy has to have his breakfast. Spoon. Give him his spoon. You got it? There you go. Have your breakfast. Oh, nice. Kellogg's cornflakes. His little bowl. You want some more? Come on in. I know. How nice is that?